Something always brings me back to you. It never takes too long. No matter what I say or do, you'll feel you here till the moment I'm gone. You hold me without touch, you keep me without change. I never wanted anything so much that to drown in your love, not feel your rain. Set me free, leave me be. I don't wanna fall another moment into your gravity. Here I am in a state so tall, just the way I'm supposed to be. You own to me, no over me. Oh, you love me 'cause I'm fragile. When I thought that I was strong, you touched me for a little while, and all my fragile strength is gone. Set me free, leave me be. I don't wanna fall another moment into your gravity. Here I am in a state so tall, just the way I'm supposed to be. Show to me, no over me. I leave you on my knees as I try to make you see that you're everything I think I need. Here on the ground, you never fed nor fall, so I can't let you go. The one thing I will still know that you're giving me down. Giving me down. Yeah. Oh, you're onto me, no over. Something always brings me back to you.